I'm from Catalonia. Of course, I was born in Lleida. That means the western of Catalonia. And I was living also in the south, in all what we call the river Ebre lands. And that is a very particular place from Catalonia with different culture. The mother of my grandfather was living here. She was the housekeeper of the Güell, the famous family in the Park Güell, the same. She was living there in the Park Güell, and she was there in charge of the house. She was the housekeeper, and she was also in charge of the kitchen. I started to be a cooking teacher 8 or 7 years ago. It was a little bit by chance. It wasn't thought. I mean, my studies were about other things, but I was very interested in cooking always, all my family and me. And when my first baby was born, I decided to change my timetable, and some people offered me to give some cooking classes, and there was a timetable that was perfect for me. In Catalan cooking classes, you can find many things. Of course, you are going to be in deep contact with the Mediterranean diet. It's nowadays it's in fashion, okay? But it's also very healthy. Then it's all right. They can be in contact with new products, with other ways of cooking. In general, I think they can learn also things very useful, because in fact we are not going to propose a very sophisticated cooking, but normal cooking with Mediterranean products. And I think that it's a value in yes, because traditional cooking it's not what people think. It's not always a very sophisticated, advanced feast. No, not always. It can be something simple, but very good, healthy, and also delicious. Very active ones. Yes, I like people participating in the class. I want people wearing aprons. I want people working in the class. I want them touching, smelling, and sniffing, and tasting, of course, everything, because it's the way of learning. I can give some photocopies, and we are going to make the recipes and all that, but overall they need to be active part of the class. Yes, they have to come with a lot of energy and really wanting to try new things. The class is going to be about 3 hours. We are going to prepare a main meal, but we are going to think also in a breakfast and in a light dinner or light supper to complete the whole Catalan day. But they can learn to do in person, learn to make a special meal for their guests. If they want to go back and to offer them a Catalan meal, they will be able to do it. In the center of Barcelona, in the heart of the city, near the cathedral, near the city council, near all the important monuments. Very easy to get, and a place that when we will finish, we are going to see a lot of wonderful things around.